Time to get back to work on my Zenki, an SR20 DET 240SX. I was on vacation when the pandemic hit, and it's been a while since I was home. But now I'm home, been home for a few months. In that time, I built myself a garage because I need a home for this stuff. During that time, while I was building the garage, I picked up some new parts. CX Racing intercooler piping kit. I have a Vibrant intercooler. It's in the car there somewhere. It mostly fits. This blow off valve here needs to be cut off that and welded over here. Below that, I just received in the mail my ISR intake kit. It's not installed yet. It's just mocking it up, having a look. I'm missing the nuts for the outlet, for the inlet pipe here, and I'm also missing 2 bolts here for this connection. I've mounted the boost gauge where I wanted to go with a fancy dancy zap strap. That will be adjusted obviously with the proper mount. What else have we done? The radiator I think's been in for a while. I got the manifold all back on. I have to find the clip for the throttle cable there. It's missing. Still have to hook up all the fuel lines. Connection here needs to be hooked up. Then I have to go through the wiring and make sure I did it right. It's been a while since I've worked on it. Did we get anything else? Oh yes, we did. New wheels. Well, new to the car wheels. They're from a buyer site. In case you haven't seen it yet, that's the Celica. We just had it freshly repainted. There's my 720. So I've got a home for all 3. What else could I tell you? Well, not much, until we pull it out and start working on it a little more. But we can't work on that until we fix that mess and that mess and move my toolbox out here. Still working on the house. The siding still needs to go on this side, but you can see the front's done. It got too cold, so just waiting for spring. Some doors I built for now for the garage until I can get a overhead door. Hi, I'm Eve. So, once we get those 2 piles fixed, cleared up, cleaned up, move my toolbox out here, get all these tools off the floor, because it's just an absolute mess of everything. We'll be able to continue work on the Zenki. And I hope you'll join me as we do that. There'll also be some videos of that coming out. And probably not that for a little while. See you later.